Namaste everyone, I'm Samatya from Bodsphere. In today's yoga tutorial, we are going to do a short yoga flow which you can do early in the morning. Whenever you wake up, you can just go onto your mat and you can practice this yoga flow every single day just to feel more energized, just to feel more opened up, and you will be good to go for the rest of the day. So for today's session, all you need is your mat, and let's all get started now. So today we are going to begin from the standing position. So let's all come in the dangling position. So our feet are together and you are simply dangling your body from left to right, right to left. Since it's a morning yoga flow, let's stretch the entire spine. As our body becomes a little stiff during the night, it's always good to do the dangling when you wake up. And very gently, let's all grab the ankles from behind as you may go in. Try to keep your knees straight. Just feel the stretch around your hamstrings. And very gently, you may bend your knees and you may press your palms next to your feet now as you take your body back into the palm plank. Let's stay over here in the palm plank just for a while. For a couple of seconds, just feel this stretch around your wrist as your palms are getting strengthened. Your shoulders are getting more strong, ready for another beautiful day in this body. And very gently, you may take your body into the mountain. Very light, gentle push around the spine. Hamstrings are elongated because we are engaging knees. And very gently, you may bring your right foot between the palms. Now, you may relax your back knee on the floor and gently lift your upper body up now. Interlock your palms behind your hips and let's open up our chest. So we are simply integrating the pelvic mobility along with the shoulder and chest opening. So we are simply keeping our gaze 45 degrees up. And you may straighten up your front knee now. As you straighten up your front knee, rest your palms onto the floor and you may rest your forehead on the front knee. Try to keep the knees straight. So if you see even a slight bend like this, try to push it down as if you are going for hyperextension of the knees. And once again, let's bend the front knee as you lift both the arms up now. So palms are well joined together as you try to make a crescent moon with your spine, pushing the pelvic region towards the floor. And once again, let's straighten up the front knee to go back to the half split. So in today's session, we don't have the countdown. So we are simply holding the poses for 5 to 10 seconds, but without the countdown. And you may once again bend the front knee now. You may bring your palms next to your front foot. Tuck in your back toes first and then take your right leg back into the mountain. You can adjust your feet as per your height. And very gently, let's bring the left foot between the palms now. Let's relax the back knee on the floor. And immediately, let's lift the upper body up now. Interlock your palms behind your body as you open up your chest and the shoulders. Just feel the opening up of the body early in the morning. And let's release and straighten up the front knee immediately as you rest your forehead on the front knee, or you can stay over here for a while. So it's not like you have to go down completely, but if you think that you cannot go beyond a particular point, excellent, not a problem. And once again, let's all bend the front knee now as you lift your arms right above the shoulders, palms together. I'm already sweating a bit. And once again, let's straighten up the front knee now. You are simply setting the intention for the entire day. And let's all bend the front knee now. You may bring your palms next to your left foot. And once again, tuck in your back toes to bring your right foot next to the left foot in Hastapadasana. You may rest your palms entirely on the floor. If you think that it is a little intense for the body, you may rest your fingers on the floor. If you think even that is intense, not a problem. You can even grab the hamstrings as you curve your spine. So we are not coming in the halfway lift, but simply curving the spine and grabbing the hamstrings from behind. So there are a lot of modifications that you can do as per your body. And once again, let's take our body back into the palm plank position. You may adjust your body if you have gone out of the mat. And very gently, let's bring our pelvic region towards the floor in the upward facing dog. Keeping our gaze 45 degrees up. Thighs, knees, shin bone, nothing will touch the floor. A gentle counter pose for the standing forward fold. And very gently rest your knees, thighs on the floor as you take your body back now. And you may stretch your arms in front of you. And in the same position, let's all go diagonally towards the right. I will demonstrate like this just for your convenience. So we are simply stretching the left side of the body as you all go diagonally towards the right. And let's all go diagonally towards the left now. We are simply balancing both the sides. And taking the support of the palms, you may lift your upper body up now. And let's stretch the right arm towards the left side as you grab the right tricep using the left arm. And let's all stay over here. Just feel the stretch around your shoulders, a little bit around your upper back. And you may very gently switch. And let's all come back to the center and let's place the left palm over the right thigh. Right palm goes behind your body as you twist from the right side. And very gently you may all switch from the left side now. And let's all come back to the center. So this was a short and a sweet yoga flow which you can definitely do early in the morning. So whenever you wake up, you can just place your mat on the floor and you can do this yoga tutorial just to feel more energized and ready for the entire day. And I really hope that you all have a very, very beautiful day after this short yoga tutorial. And if you have more requests for any particular tutorial, you can definitely drop your comments in the comment section below and we'll make a tutorial right for you. And please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we are going to see you all in the next yoga tutorial, everyone. Till then, have a very beautiful day and namaste, everyone.